But that's brilliant.
Thank you, Dill, for that lovely poem dedicated to your best man.
Stan, you have to deactivate her, or she'll be your puppet forever.
Do you, Dill, take Haley to be your lawfully wedded wife, in sickness and in health?
I do. You're running out of time.
Come on! And Haley, do you take this, let's say, man, to be your lawfully wedded husband?
Stan, it's now or never!
We can still make it!
I do.
I'm getting fed up with this orgasm!
What are your orders, Father?
Nothing. Please continue. I was too late. Okay then, you're married. Good luck with that. You may now kiss the bride.
Is it mandatory?
Haley, your mom wants a picture.
Not now.
Haley, I order you to come take a picture.
Not now!
But seriously, Amy, age ain't nothing but a number. And the number I'm thinking of is $100. My, how courting has changed. Smith, lovely wedding.
Sir, I need to know the whole story about why Project Daycare was canceled.
Why, because of all the deaths, of course. Good God, you did it, didn't you? You activated your daughter.
Look, sir, I know you're mad, but
Deactivate her now.
I can't. It's been over 7 days.
What?
I'm kind of worried. I mean, I thought she was supposed to lose her free will, but I just gave her an order, and she didn't...
Smith, get the hell out of there! Green Taurus, chop chop! The problem isn't that she'll lose her free will. The problem is she's going to turn on her handler.
But I'm her handler.
No! A Green Taurus! El Taurus Verde! Smith, Haley was trained to be an unstoppable killing machine, and she won't snap out of it until you're dead. No!
Okay, everyone, we're gonna cut the cake. Come on, Haley, cut the cake. I just want to make sure Daddy sees this.
Oh yeah, I see it. I can see fine from back here.
And now it's time for the bride to dance with her father.
Oh, I would, but I have to tip the dove guy. Ow! Haley, I just want you to know, everything I did because I wanted to make you happy.
I am happy, Dad. I'm not just gaining a husband. I'm losing a father.
So after she died in Hurricane Katrina, she was sent down to walk the earth and change people's lives for the better. Angel, tell him your catchphrase.
You gonna finish that?
We're still working on a catchphrase.
Wait a minute. What kind of angel eats devil's food cake?
We have to go now.
Nobody's going anywhere. Something about this angel stinks to high heaven.
Very nice. You're crazy.
Am I? You almost got away with it. But nothing gets past wheels, especially not people walking behind me in a narrow hallway. My first clue that something was amiss was when Angel asked me, "Are you going to finish that?" At that moment, I thought to myself, wait a minute. What kind of angel eats devil's food cake? She's no angel. She's a fraud!
Congratulations, you cracked the case. Wheels.
Say it now.
You're on a roll, Wheels.
Great. Now laugh and freeze frame.
And there we have it. Unlocked.
Doesn't this remind you of that ballroom?
That is a... See, there we go. It's unlocked.
Except I'm going to kill you.
Now this is the guts out of a ONGUARD motorcycle disc lock. There you can see it's in the picked position. I'll open it up, show you that all the springs and pins are indeed in there. There's all the top pins, and all the key pins are trapped in below the shear line. As you can see, it has a very jagged, nasty keyway. It took me a long time to learn how to pick this lock. There's a shot of the empty chambers. There's one pin stuck in there. There we go. There's the empty chambers. And there's the plug in the picked position. Now this company offers $1,000 if your motorcycle gets stolen or whatnot, and I'll provide a link to their site in the description of my video, which should be over there, or it might be over there to the side. Anyways, peace. Rate it if you liked it. I picked that with a custom snake rake. Yeah, so that's it. The ONGUARD motorcycle disc lock. Peace.